Daily English context. Visiting an optician for an eye test. You sit down in the big chair. The doctor points to the letters on the wall. You squint, but everything is a fuzzy mess. The panic sets in. You don't know the right English words to explain what you're seeing. Well, today we're fixing that. Forever! We're going to the optician, and you'll learn exactly how to talk about your eyes, your vision, and picking out the perfect glasses. Let's make sure you never fail an eye test in English. First up is the word blurry. Imagine looking through a window covered in heavy rain. Everything looks soft and out of focus, right? That's exactly what blurry means. You use this when things are simply not clear. Next, let's talk about eyesight. This is simply your ability to see the world around you. When people get older or stare at screens all day, they often say, "My eyesight is getting worse." It means their vision is failing. Now, what if you can read a book perfectly, but the television across the room is a mystery? Then you're short-sighted. It literally means you only have sight for things that are a short distance away. Everything far away is a blur. Once you know your problem, you need a solution. That's where lenses come in. Lenses are the pieces of clear glass or plastic that actually fix your vision. Some lenses even have special coatings to block out that harsh blue computer light. Finally, we have frames. If lenses do the hard work, frames make you look good. Frames are the metal or plastic parts that hold the lenses on your face. Choosing the right frames is the most stressful and fun part of getting glasses. So, how do all these words actually sound in a real conversation? Well, Jessica has been getting terrible headaches at work recently. She thinks her computer screen might be the problem, so she booked an eye test. She's visiting George, a very patient optician, to figure out what's wrong with her vision. Let's listen closely and see if you can spot all 5 of our new vocabulary words. Time for the eye test!
Hello, Jessica. Please come right in and take a comfortable seat in the big testing chair. So, tell me, what brings you into the clinic today? Are you having some trouble with your vision while you're working?
Yes, unfortunately. By the end of the day, the words on my computer screen look completely blurry. I have to lean so close to the monitor just to read my emails. It's giving me terrible headaches every single afternoon.
I see. That's actually very common, especially with office jobs. Let's check your eyesight today and see what's going on. Could you look straight ahead at the chart on the wall and read the top line for me?
The top line? Wow. Okay. Is that an E or an F? Honestly, George, the whole wall looks like a giant gray cloud right now. I can't read a single letter. Oh no, am I going completely blind?
No, Jessica, you're definitely not going blind. Please don't panic about it. It simply means you're just a little bit short-sighted. You can see things close to you perfectly fine, but objects further away become very difficult to focus on clearly.
Thank goodness. I was genuinely worried I'd have to stop driving my car entirely. So, if you say I'm short-sighted, does that mean I definitely need to start wearing glasses every single day from now on?
Not necessarily all the time, but you'll definitely need them for driving, watching television, and sitting in long office meetings. Now, let's look through this testing machine. Tell me, is the picture clearer on option 1 or option 2?
Option 1 is terrible. Option 2 is... Oh, wow! Option 2 is absolutely amazing! I can actually see the tiny green leaves on that tree outside the window. I completely forgot the world had so much sharp detail in it.
It's a wonderful feeling, isn't it? That means we found the perfect prescription for your new lenses. These lenses will be custom made to correct your distance vision, so you won't have to squint at your screen anymore.
That sounds wonderful. Will these lenses be really thick and heavy, though? I have a friend whose glasses are so heavy, they leave red marks on her nose. I really don't want that to happen to me.
Not at all. Technology has improved so much. We can make your lenses incredibly thin and lightweight. We can also add an anti-glare coating to help with those bright computer screens at work. Now comes the fun part.
Oh, do I finally get to choose how they look now? Because I've actually been thinking about this a lot. I want something that looks very smart and professional for the office, but also stylish enough to wear on the weekend.
Exactly! It's time to pick out your frames. We have hundreds of different frames to choose from out in the main shop area. Do you generally prefer metal or plastic? And do you have a specific favorite color in mind?
Well, I think thick black plastic frames look really sophisticated. They make people look like a cool architect or a famous magazine editor. Can I please try on that dark pair right over there? The ones with the slightly rounded edges?
Of course you can. Here you go. Put those on and take a good look in the mirror right behind you. I must say, those frames suit your face shape perfectly. They sit very nicely on the bridge of your nose, too.
Oh, I absolutely love them. They feel incredibly comfortable, and they don't slide down at all when I shake my head. Yes, George, these are definitely the ones. How long will it take for the glasses to be fully ready?
It usually takes about 5 working days for our laboratory to precisely cut your new lenses and fit them into the frames. We'll send you a quick text message as soon as they arrive back here at the clinic for collection.
That's fantastic news. 5 days is really not too long to wait. I honestly can't wait to actually see my computer screen clearly again. My boss will be so happy I'm no longer squinting at him angrily during our morning meetings.
Yes, people very often mistake squinting for anger. Now, while we wait for your new glasses, please try to take regular breaks from your screen. Make sure you look away every 20 minutes to give your tired eyes a proper rest.
Every 20 minutes? That actually sounds like a lot. Do I just close my eyes, or should I be looking at something specific? I usually just stare at my mobile phone on my breaks, which is probably a terrible idea, right?
Yes, staring at another screen definitely defeats the entire purpose. You should focus your eyesight on something at least 20 feet away. Look out a window, or at the far end of the office corridor. It really relaxes the eye muscles.
Okay, I'll definitely start doing that today. Look out the window every 20 minutes. I've got it. Thank you so much for your excellent help today, George. I feel so much better knowing my vision is easily fixable.
You're very welcome. But before you go, we just need to measure the distance between your pupils. This ensures the optical center of your new lenses perfectly aligns with your eyes. Could you please look straight at my nose?
Look directly at your nose? Okay, I'm looking. This actually feels a little bit silly, standing this close and staring at you like this. I really hope I don't blink too much and ruin your very important measurements.
Don't worry at all. Blinking is perfectly fine. Just try to keep your head completely still for 3 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, and we're done. That's all the technical data we need to craft your beautiful new glasses.
Oh, brilliant. Oh, that was completely painless and surprisingly fast. I'll definitely be recommending this clinic to all my colleagues at the office. Honestly, I think half of them have blurry vision by Friday afternoon anyway. Thank you again for everything, George.
You're very welcome, Jessica. We always love seeing new patients here. Just stop by the front desk to finalize your order, and we'll text you next week. Try not to walk into any glass doors on your way out today.
What an absolutely fantastic result for Jessica! She went in terrified she was losing her eyesight, but she just needed a little bit of help. Let's quickly recap the 5 essential vocabulary words we heard in the optician's clinic today. First, Jessica's computer screen looked blurry, meaning it was completely out of focus. George tested her eyesight, which is her ability to see, and discovered she is short-sighted. She can only see things clearly if they are right in front of her. To fix this, she needs custom lenses, the clear pieces of glass that correct her vision. And to hold those lenses, she chose a stylish pair of black plastic frames. She's gonna look incredibly smart at her next office meeting. Now it's your turn. Which word do you think you will use first? A, blurry, B, short-sighted, or C, frames? Drop your answer in the comments below. If you learned something new today, hit subscribe so we can keep learning together.